Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable HD video quality on Facebook on your PC with the new update. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu, then click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. Scroll down until you see the Preferences section and click on Media. This is where you can adjust your video settings. Look for the Video Default Quality option and click on the drop-down menu next to it. Here, you'll have the option to select HD if it's available. Make sure to choose this option to ensure your videos are playing in high definition. And that's it. You've successfully enabled HD video quality on Facebook on your PC with just a few simple steps. Now you can enjoy crystal clear videos while scrolling through your feed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.